welcome to Havila's Healthy Kitchen. Today's recipe is Jackfruit Halwa. This is one of top halwa recipe from the state of God's own country, Kerala. So let's see how to prepare it, and here are the ingredients. 2 cups of jackfruit pieces boiled in cooker for 2 whistles. 3 cups of jaggery powder, roasted cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon cardamom powder and 1 cup ghee. Now add these jackfruit pieces to mixing jar and make them into fine paste. Okay, here is our jackfruit paste. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. And then add jackfruit paste. Mix it continuously until you get thick consistency as shown in the video. Yeah, this is the right consistency. Now add 3 cups of jaggery powder and mix continuously for 10 minutes. Okay. Now add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and mix continuously. Okay, now add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix continuously until you get thick consistency. Use as much as ghee required for your halwa. Okay, once you get the consistency as shown in the video, now add roasted cashew nuts to the halwa and mix well. This is the right consistency. Now you can add your roasted cashew nuts and mix well. Okay, and switch off the flame. Now take a greased bowl and then transfer your halwa into the bowl. That's all. Enjoy your jackfruit halwa with your family. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havila's Healthy Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.